Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make icing with Astra. To begin, ensure you have all your ingredients and tools ready. This specific method guarantees a stable and delicious icing, perfect for all your decorating needs. We will cover everything from ingredient preparation to achieving that ideal, smooth consistency. Following these steps precisely is key to mastering this unique icing technique, ensuring beautiful results every time. For this exceptional icing, precise measurements are crucial. You will need 1 cup of high-quality Astra shortening, which provides the unique texture and stability. Also, prepare 4 cups of powdered sugar, ensuring it is sifted to prevent lumps. Have 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract for flavor, and 2 to 3 tablespoons of milk or water to adjust the consistency. These specific components are vital for the perfect outcome. Now, let's begin the mixing. First, cream your 1 cup of Astra shortening in a large bowl until it's wonderfully light and fluffy. Next, gradually add the 4 cups of sifted powdered sugar, 1 cup at a time, mixing well after each addition. Then, incorporate the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract and 2 tablespoons of your chosen liquid. Beat the mixture on high speed for several minutes until it becomes perfectly smooth and spreadable. To achieve the ideal consistency, you might need to add a little more liquid or powdered sugar, 1 teaspoon at a time, until it's just right. Continue beating the icing on high for an additional 3 to 5 minutes. This incorporates air, making it light and airy. For the freshest results, use your Astra icing immediately. Any leftover icing can be stored in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks, ready for your next project.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.